How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show today, and I'm so grateful once again for being here with you guys. Now, guys, I hope you guys managed to take some profits in your trades yesterday that I was talking about from here and here, essentially. So we had pretty much 1 to 1.5 days of trading. There was a crazy amount of pumps, dumps, all kinds of things. So yeah, guys, lots and lots and lots of cool things to take shape and place in the crypto space. In this video today, we are going to be talking about where Bitcoin is right now, what happened because we were heavily rejected off of the 31.8K level. So we reached just before the 32K level, and there was obviously a shit ton of sell orders at that level there, and that's why or part of why the price is dumped. So that's interesting because there were a lot of liquidations in trading and derivatives to be basically pumped out of and liquidated while that pump went up. So obviously a lot of people ended up shorting it from there because they could see that something was going to happen, and obviously it's a pump and a dump. That's what it is. So guys, thanks for being here on the channel. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's rock and roll, guys. We got a little bit of a way to go before 1,000 subscribers here before the end of July. We have 15 days left. Okay, let's pump this channel up right there, right now, guys. You guys have been enjoying my content. So if you're watching and not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel, please. That would be much appreciated, guys. Today on the crypto market cap, we are sitting at $1.262 trillion. Amazing. Although Bitcoin kind of fell 3% again from yesterday. We literally, as you can see, we literally erased the entire gains here on Bitcoin. So that's very, very interesting to see that. Sitting at 30,321. So we're still holding strong on that 30,000 level, but we have not yet been able to really get strong support above this level and actually make a huge pump to the upside. Okay. Now, because most of us are actually expecting about 35 to 37.5 to 38 to 41. I know it's a big range, but essentially my personal target is 38K, 37.5 to 38K. That's my personal target. That's where I believe that I would put in quite a few shorts at that entry. And obviously because, guys, it's quite an interesting space to be in at the moment because there's a lot of news happening out there in the market. Ethereum is sitting at 1938, so dropped way below the 2,000 level again, down 3% for the day. BNB is at 250, XRP is at 71. Now, yesterday, for a very short moment, actually, XRP was above BNB. So that's very, very interesting to say that because XRP is only 37.78 billion in market cap, and BNB is only about $1.2 billion more in terms of value of market cap at the moment than XRP. So that's very interesting to see this, guys. We might see some challenging neck-to-neck racing here between XRP and BNB, especially because of all the FUD that's been around BNB, the SEC case with XRP, so many things going on in the crypto space, as always. Cardano at 33 cents, Solana 28.84, pumped nicely, Dogecoin at 7.3 cents, Polygon back up at 81 cents. Now, the Fear and Greed Index dropped all the way back down to 56 once again because of this crazy drop that we've had the past couple hours. Crypto bubbles, everything is pretty much in the green, guys, which means what? Take a little bit of profits, a little bit of profits. Now, I actually got into an IMX trade, and I will show you why, okay? Not only did I buy some on spot, but I did get someone on a little bit of a 5x leverage trade. So you can see here, I actually bought here, right here at this beautiful candle. So yeah, let's see. It's a bit of a breakout of this W pattern. Not quite hit the target because the W pattern would probably bring us up to about this level here. But I got into a little trade from here. We are in a little bit of a profit. I'm going to probably wait for a little bit of a pullback on the hourly time frame, and then we will actually buy back in again. And I will add more to the position to take a long, probably up to about $1.30, $1.30 over here. Like I said, $1.24. Yes. Look at the strong buy signal on the daily time frame. Now, I told you that before, that this is probably what we do here. So now you can see that we are going to make a good pump up here above this level. That's why I did the video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share the channel, guys, because I don't just fuck around. I do what I say I'm going to do. And exactly what it is that I'm going to do is exactly what occurred. So not because I think I know it all, not because I'm a genie in a bottle, but because the signs are obvious, and trading is pretty simple lately, especially in crypto. Crypto is very nice because you can see the lines very clearly. You can see the narratives on the coins, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So, guys, very, very simple. News in the market. United Kingdom's digital pound meets public backlash. Why? Well, that's because the coin has absolutely no privacy, and they can literally track everything that you do, and that's what the whole purpose of the coin is, and people are not comfortable with that. That's just the short and curly of that one. It's time for the SEC to settle the Coinbase and Ripple. So the Securities and Exchange Commission should recognize it's time to settle its cases against Coinbase and Ripple Labs. So in other words, pretty much put this beside them. So I would love to see the SEC be dissolved. Yeah, let's get them dissolved in the next 1 year, you know. I don't know how that would happen, but that's up to the higher powers that be, apparently. So now the last article here, everything that happened with Celsius and Alex Mashinsky so far. Look back at the rise and fall of Celsius from the firm's growth during pandemic to arrest of its former CEO resolutions with relegated. So apparently he has officially denied everything that he did, that none of it was him, nothing happened because of him, yet there are huge documentaries across board of him actually showing that he is the one pushing and doing all the narratives and calling the coin safe, etc. And people like myself, you know, I couldn't withdraw I had crazy amounts of XRP and Celsius, and I would have been able to take profits. I would have taken profits in the pump up that we've just recently had if I was able to get access to those coins, but I couldn't. So, you know, now I'm just in the coin. So very interestingly so, this man has, you know, not only done this, but he's affected a number of other people's lives. And he faces criminal and civil charges stemming from his time at cryptocurrency lending platform. So yeah, he's got a lot to deal with. Guys, I have a really cool video to show you, so make sure to stay right to the very end. This video is from Larry Fink, and it was an absolutely incredible and astounding video. So make sure to stay right to the very end that I'm going to show you that video. And if you guys want to come and trade these beautiful coins with me, okay, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin now. But if you want to trade these beautiful coins, make sure to hit my Bitflex link down below. That is the decentralized exchange where you don't need any KYC. When you deposit $100, you'll get $50 bonus. That's 50% for you. And how beautiful is that? I also have my Bybit link down below that you can get up to $30,000 deposit bonus when you make a deposit using that link right there. That is awesome. IMX, I am trading on Bybit, and Bitcoin, I'm trading on both the Bitflex and on the Bitcoin, the Bybit account. Okay, so guys, Bitcoin, what the fuck happened here? I cannot even believe my eyeballs. Okay, now I'm just going to refresh this chart so I get all of the energy that I need for us here in this chart. Okay, so right now you guys can see that we literally made this crazy pump on the XRP news, and then boom, we literally erased more than the entire amount, which is very interesting because on higher time frames, that is now considered to be an engulfing candle. However, before I continue, okay, this was the crazy level that I showed you guys that we were looking at. So we pulled here, we found support on this indicator right here. Okay, we smashed right through it with the XRP news, and then we dropped straight. We tried to hold, but we couldn't hold this level. Boom, dropped straight through, right from the yellow zone to the next yellow zone right here. Now, we pushed all the way up there, and there was a strong buyback here. You can see where the electrical, the lightning bolt, that's a buy signal. Where there's a robot, that's a sell signal on this particular indicator. Okay, and it's actually really good, and it works very much well in coordination with the RSI as well as my UT bot signal that I have previously spoken to you about. Now, this is the volume side of the indicator, and these are the important levels of the indicator. Okay, so it literally bounced off the bottom of the indicator right here at 30,199, and it's now immediately pushing back up to the highest volumetric area, as you can see right there across the board, is exactly where this is right now. So you can see that we are looking for a little bit of a push up. We probably will end up ranging here in between these two yellow lines. at the moment until there is further indication that Bitcoin will continue its long journey to the upside. Guys, like the video, please. That would be really appreciated. And yeah, make sure that you guys get the best out of the best of this channel. So here is the Dixie trying to probably make its way back up to the purple box here. Like I said to you guys, the total crypto market cap made a huge rally, pulled back, but this is very beautiful because now we've had a buy signal. The RSI told us to buy down here. This is very, very strong and very, very powerful because it looks like it's gathering some steam to get up and knock the channel once again. And look, we came from this side of the channel right to the top of the channel absolutely perfectly, guys. So if you want to make sure that you are getting into awesome trades, making some money and trading these altcoins and everything like an absolute beast, then make sure to subscribe to the channel because you guys will hit that notification bell and you guys will get constant, good, absolute blessed news here for you guys to make some good money. Okay, we're going to have a little bit of a look at the Bitcoin dominance because the Bitcoin dominance had a massive rejection up here. Okay, yeah, let's pull this all together so you guys can see. Very interestingly so, RSI extremely oversold. Looks like it's making a double bottom, although there was a strong sell right here. The indicators now giving us a bit of an electric lightning bolt. And then we have this support level right here. We also have the horizontal support level of this purple box right here. So for me, guys, we could pull back a little bit more, yes, maybe to the green zone, but essentially I would say that we would probably end up starting to pull back up, which means maybe it is time to get a little bit, sell a little bit more of your alts into Bitcoin, okay? The Ethereum chart doing pretty much the same as all of them at the moment. And let us go and quickly have a look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart here. Okay, so let's make sure that it's refreshed quickly before we do anything. Okay, so here is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Now, yes, we're at a level of resistance here. I'm going to pull this purple box a little bit more, but we're at a strong level of resistance here. You can see sell, 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 okay, and nothing to buy here. Okay, so sell, 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 sell. But look at this signal here. We've got the strong buy. The RSI is pushing up. There's a little bit of volume coming in. There's stronger buy volume happening at this level. So for me, it looks like the Ethereum Bitcoin chart actually wants to continue its beautiful rally to the upside, creating a huge W pattern here right now. Okay, although we are double topping on the RSI, we could pull back a little bit and then make a little bit more of a rally. So we've double bottomed. We're kind of ranging in this zone, and it is actually really looking like a bit of a bear flag, starting to. But I did exchange my Bitcoin for Ethereum right here because I could see this pattern unfolding already. Not necessarily the pattern, but that we were overselling right here. And I sold some more of it here, and that's what I did. So let's go and have one last look at the Bitcoin chart here. I'm going to very much go on to the weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame, as you guys know, ends up closing tomorrow. And essentially, I would love to see the candle. I mean, look at the volume. The RSI is pushing up. The volume here is very much sell pressure in this zone. But like I said to you guys in my video yesterday, if you were watching, that it's all the pressure from the top side. There's no selling pressure from the downside, only because this is psychologically affecting people, these beautiful price levels here. So there will be a lot of sell resistance into this area. But for me personally, we tapped a new high there. It looks as though we would love to continue the rally to the upside, at least coming up here to this 35K level right here, especially because we had a strong buy signal 2 weeks ago on the UT bots. Okay, so first level 35K. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if people took some profits there. There was some pullback, because that's in alignment with this upward sloping trend also. Then the 38.7K up here, and then the 41.8K up there. Guys, let me know what you're thinking about this. The video, let's go and show you the video. This is Michael Saylor, Larry Fink of BlackRock. This thinks Bitcoin will transcend every international currency due to broad-based worldwide demand. Let's go and watch this.
Can you talk about what crypto fits?
Well, I can't talk about Bitcoin because we have a filing with the SEC, so I'm prohibited. I can talk about crypto in general, and I can talk about what we have done. You know, we believe we have a responsibility to democratize investing. And we've done a great job. And the role of ETFs in the world is transforming investing. And I think we're only at the beginning of that. I mean, we believe the fixed income market is going to become multiple $1 trillion in ETFs. Equities will continue. More and more of the market will be delivered through an ETF platform. If you think about what was done 20 years ago now with the advent of a gold ETF, that really democratized gold investing. It brought down the cost of transaction for gold. I mean, the cost of transacting physical gold is absurd. And now with crypto, the idea of democratizing that role, the cost right now to transact, it's quite expensive. We're talking points, not decimal points. And so that's a big point. Two, over the last 5 years, more and more global investors are asking us about the role of crypto. And as I said, I do believe a lot of crypto is going to be, it's an international asset. It has a differentiating value versus other asset classes, but more importantly, because it's so international, it's going to transcend any one currency and currency valuation. If you just look at the value of our dollar, how it depreciated the last two months, and how much it appreciated over the last 5 years, I mean, an international crypto product can really transcend that. And that's why we believe there's great opportunities, and that's why we're seeing more and more interest. And that interest is broad-based worldwide.
Undeniably, impeccably beautiful for the crypto space. So if you are still watching this video and you do not yet believe that crypto is going to be part of our futures and that it will have gigantic market caps in comparison to where we are currently today in the crypto market cap at $1.2 trillion, guys, we have an incredibly long way to go in this crypto space. So if you guys want to succeed in the crypto space, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to trade and make money with me while the market is still in this beautiful space, then make sure to hit my Bitflex and Bybit links down below. Thanks for watching, you blessed, beautiful souls. Have a wonderful Saturday, and we'll see you on the next one, you benevolent being.